Hi! Thank you for coming to my channel. Today, we are cooking with tempeh. Tempeh is not only good for vegetarians or vegans, also good for pescatarians and dieters. Okay, let's start. First, measure the spices. Next, chop the onion and the carrot finely. Cut the mushroom and the tempeh roughly. Put the tempeh into a blender and chop until fine, but don't blend until a paste. Do the same with the mushroom. Next, 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a pot and turn heat to mid. Cook the onion until soft, then add the minced garlic and stir. Next, we add the spices and continue cooking, checking to see if you need to reduce the heat. Add coconut or raw sugar, carrot, mushroom, 1 teaspoon of salt and stir well. Add tempeh and cook all ingredients through. Add tomato sauce and 150 ml of water, then let simmer. Add the miso and stir and check in the taste. If you need more salt, add half teaspoon. Miso makes the sauce umami, but this is only an option. If you don't have miso, that's okay. This sauce you can use for pasta, pie, or white bread or rice. Easy to make it, tasty and high protein as well, so please try it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.